Alright, this is job completed. This is a slab that was in very, very bad shape that we mended back together with rebar stitching. It looks like a brand new slab now. It's still curing. We just got done putting a final coat on there. There's some green spots in the middle, but that'll all whiten up. Here's an inside view. We took the slab all the way into the garage, and we have stitching all over the place here. If you've seen our earlier video, there was cracks all over, and we stitched rebar in all the cracks. And like I said, we just got done a final coating, making it look like a brand new slab. If you've seen the earlier video before we stitched it back together, we had numerous amount of cracks in this area here. There's probably about 8 rebars going through all the way up to the garage there. And that side over there had some major stitching too. It was quite the doctoring of concrete. We also stitched this garage slab back together. We have pictures of that too. There was 2 cracks, one here and one about here, and we put 2 rebars here, 2 rebars there in various angles to mend those cracks back together. And we had about an inch and a half dip going down to get up in the garage. We cut the whole front out, put a expansion joint in there, and we raised with a special mix to get that proper grade. And then we just got done coating this today with the final coat, making it look like a brand new slab. Alright, thanks for watching.